Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Prestige Express Mixer Grinder. So the Prestige Express Mixer Grinder is about 230 volts, and this is a TTK product. It's priced at 3,295. It's a very simple product to be used. You can gift it to a person who is just learning cooking, or it's a very handy tool if you want to grind small masalas or do some chutneys or smoothies. You can use this quick and express mixer grinder. So now I'm going to be unboxing this. Once I've opened the box, the first thing I see is the warranty and the pamphlet, how to use it. All the instructions are given in this pamphlet. This is how the packaging looks. Now I'm going to start pulling out one thing at a time. So here is your main body with a small jar attached to it. Then we have the lids and the large barrel jar. Okay, now I'm just going to start opening it and showing it to you. The body of the base looks very light, and it's very compact. It's not that very heavy, so it's easy to use. You have the small jar here which you can easily unlock. This is the notches to the notch which can connect over here. You just have to align it, press and twist, so it sits easily. Now once I open it, this is the first blade, and this is the barrel or the body of the jar. You have to put all the ingredients here, then screw this. Place it on top, just align these notches over here and twist. It sits. So it's very easy to handle. This is the second jar, and over here I think we have 4 blades. So this is very powerful. So over here we have a 4 blade attachment. Again, this is very powerful. You can grind all your hard spices. You can grind your coconut chutney in this particular jar. So this type of blade I constantly keep using, even to grind keemas. So this is very efficient. So what they have mentioned is you can add a quantity of ingredients, that is coconut or chilies, ginger. You can add the quantity up to this much, and the rest has to be space for it to move and grind. The maximum quantity that you can add is up to this much. So they've given 3 lines in this larger jar, and that's the amount that you can grind. So approximately 1.5 cups of product is what you can grind, ingredients you can grind. That is be it ginger garlic paste or your chutneys. That's the amount you can grind. So it's very easy. Again, you have to match the connectors or the notches over here, and just get it and twist it, and it sits evenly. It's a very simple gadget to use, and this is the first time I'm using this particular product. So I'm going to be posting a few recipes using it. Let's see how it goes, and as I'm posting the recipes, I'll be giving you the review as well. And it has got this 3-pin plug, so it's a very easy way to use it, I feel. So I'm going to keep posting recipes. Here's the close-up of the 2 blades. Once you finish grinding, you can use one of the lids and close this jar and place it in the fridge and use it as required. So this is very convenient to also store your masalas and your chutneys once you finish grinding. So you can store it with the jar in the fridge. and use it as required. So I keep grinding small amounts of masalas for my videos. So this is going to be very efficient, I feel. So when I grind small amount of masalas, this smaller jar will come in handy, and I'm going to use this more. You can fit the smaller jar in the bigger blade compartment as well, and you can grind it. So this both the jars fit into both the blades, and it's easy to use. So as I'm using it, I'm going to be keep updating you like how exactly I keep using this, and I'll also mention what are the difficulties and what are the pros and cons of this product. The basic thing my parents also pointed out is how do you wash it. So they have mentioned in the pamphlet that you can wash it with mild soap water and use very light amount of detergent, but when it comes to such crevices like this, I keep a toothbrush separately for it, and I just go around it and we wash it. So that's how we wash it at home, but it's a very easy way you can wash it. You can use light lukewarm water and you can wash it. So it is very easy to use, and you can wash all the products. And the best thing I like about TTK is you can purchase all your products, if in case the blade is faulty, you can purchase all this individually. All the products I use is from TTK. So like be it pressure cooker or a few even cookware that I keep using, it's all from TTK. So I keep enjoying the products from TTK, and it's a quality branded products that they have in their market. So individual parts also you can purchase it from Prestige. So they have all these parts in the local Prestige outlet. So it's very easy, you can purchase it in case it's faulty. If you enjoyed watching this unboxing video, do subscribe to my channel, friends. I keep posting a lot of unboxing videos, reviews, and a lot of recipes, and I recreate recipes. So do subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll post all the links to my blog, social media in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.